From mining to renewable energy, from bridges to tunnels, high-rise buildings to foundations, toys to cars, from hanging a painting to landing on the moon. Bolts, nuts, washers, rods. The family of fasteners are the unsung heroes of the most basic personal contraptions to the most advanced inventions. Critical wherever they are, the finest fasteners once installed never revealed themselves. More than strength, durability, performance, the finest fasteners provide what we at GDPA Fasteners have strived for centuries. Total and absolute peace of mind. Part of the GDPA group, GDPA Fasteners brings to table its centuries-old legacy and, more importantly, over 100 years of manufacturing and business excellence. The Fastener company was set up in 1985 in Jalandhar, India, and today sells across 35 countries to distributors and OEMs. The legacy of the House of GDPA lends reliability, experience and expertise, which become the stepping stones for the anchoring proposition of GDPA Fasteners, to offer peace of mind to customers through both quality of products and quality of business service. It starts with the end-to-end in-house manufacturing of the full range of fasteners. It allows GDPA to have full control over the quality of the products through stringent production protocols, allowing customers to have minimal quality dependencies and just one company to audit. It allows full control on the supply chain, leading to on-time deliveries. In-house design and engineering allows for fulfilling the requirement for engineered products and application fasteners. And finally, the full spectrum of fasteners allows GDPA to become a one-stop shop for distributors, resulting in ease of business for them. Nothing can talk better about a manufacturing company's excellence than its heroes, the products. And GDPA under one roof makes full range of the finest fasteners across many applications. General industrial, mining and tunneling, wind and hydro turbines, high-rise and heavy construction, automotive and agricultural, tamper-proof and security fencing systems. Starting with bolts, which GDPA makes a wide range of by both cold and hot forging. The advanced cold forming allows for bolts as large as 24 mm in diameter and 450 mm in length. And the advanced hot forging allows for bolts up to 80 mm in diameter and 2 meter in length. Very few manufacturers can match GDPA when it comes to large-sized bolts. And the same applies to nuts, which is GDPA's fastest growing division. GDPA makes nuts from M12 to M120 using precision hot and cold forging and machining. And CNC machining is done post-heat treatment, unlike most manufacturers, which leads to higher precision products. Next up is GDPA's full range of standard washers and punched, profiled and fabricated sheet metal parts. GDPA is able to achieve a hardness of up to a minimum 300 HV or higher, with technical capabilities to properly hot-dip galvanize both washers and sheet metal, leading to better corrosion resistance. GDPA's threaded rods and engineered studs go up to a diameter of M80 and a length of 6 meters. There is also a specialized heat treatment facility to handle 2-meter long parts and hot dip up to 3-meter long parts. For U-bolts, L-bolts, I-bolts and anchor bolts, GDPA has bending capability from M8 to M48 diameters. And apart from this already wide range, GDPA has expert CNC capability to make custom and modified parts. Such a wide variety of products allows customers to buy an eclectic mix of products from a single source to serve a variety of end users. Supporting the production of such a wide variety of fasteners is the end-to-end manufacturing facility. The 3 units of GDPA span over 15 acres and house the complete range of quality machinery. The anchoring thought of peace of mind starts right at the beginning with the purchase of raw material, where GDPA has an extremely stringent vendor approval process. Once quality raw material is procured and a unique MRN issued, the people and machines take over. GDPA houses its own drawing and cutting capabilities. It also has a phosphating facility, including capabilities for using steel in sapped condition. There are 8 forging stations for nuts and bolts, followed by over 20 roll threading machines. The cold forging department for nuts and bolts houses 14 cold forging stations, including 4 national 4-station bolt formers and 3 5-station nut formers. For sheet metal parts, GDPA houses over 20 presses with automated cutting, bending, punching and profiling capabilities. Machining these products is a fleet of over 25 numeric controlled machines and over 15 CNC machines. The facility also houses special heads, tooling and die making capabilities to be able to rapid prototype and custom re-engineer products. GDPA also provides batch lot traceability for critical application fasteners through state-of-the-art laser marking machines. To support this, the facility also has CAD/CAM, wire cut and EDM stations. GDPA has in-house facility to heat treat all its manufactured parts, including SCADA-controlled continuous heat treatment lines capable of handling parts up to 36 mm dia, 3 rotary furnaces and 4 gas carburizing furnaces capable of handling parts up to 80 mm in dia and 2 meters in length. For surface treatment, the facility has capabilities and infrastructure for black phosphating, electro-zinc plating, both in hexavalent and RoHS compliant trivalent coating, hot dip galvanizing and mechanical plating capable of handling parts as small as M8 and as long as 4 meters. GDPA's powder coating division offers WRAS certified Rilson powder coated fasteners for portable water applications. The facility also offers its critical applications customers zinc flake coating like Delta, Dacromet, Geomet, including top coats. GDPA's QA and QC teams are fully equipped to do complete PPAP documentation and carry out SPC and MSA studies for its automotive and OE clients. GDPA is also certified to CE 15048, CE 14592 for non-preloaded fasteners and CE 14399 for preloaded fasteners, including of course ISO 9001-2015. The incoming quality control consists of ultrasound and spectrometer tests for steel. And the final quality assurance is done through digital hardness testers, microscopes, UTMs for tensile elongation and suitability tests, impact testers that can carry out impact testing up to -40 degrees Celsius and MPI. Fueling this proposition is a team of over 500 GDPA employees, headed still by a family with over 100 years of manufacturing and business acumen. GDPA has been adopting modern decentralized organizational structure. The both experienced and young sales force makes business super comfortable for customers. This is also aided by GDPA's offer for a joint stock program for its long-term customers, where it maintains safety stock in-house to replenish customers in stock-out and spot order situations. 100+ years legacy, in-house end-to-end production, a super wide range of fasteners, market experience of over 35 years, complete compliance with norms and standards, relentless quality control and experience, and capabilities to design and manufacture custom and modified products. And finally, the ease of doing business. All of this makes GDPA Fasteners offer you something priceless, total and absolute peace of mind.